If you are searching for the best inflatable kayaks, this video is for you. We have investigated some inflatable kayaks and brought to you top 5 best collection. Number 1. Intex Challenger Kayak. We love this kayak and prescribe them to anybody searching for the fun and adaptability of a kayak without the common problems of transportation and capacity. In case you are searching for a quick ride down a stream, this is not it. They move well, yet you won't have the option to race a hard-shell kayak. Number 2. Intex Explorer K2 Kayak. Intex Explorer K2 Kayak is lively and fun with a smooth out plan for simple rowing. The brilliant yellow tone and lively design make the kayak exceptionally noticeable in the water. Incredible for encountering lakes and mellow waterway with a companion. This sport series kayak is ideal for 2 group ups. Number 3. Intex XCartoon Pro Kayak. It has super extreme overlay material with a polyester center for high strength and solidness, guaranteeing high effect and scuffed area obstruction while holding lightweight and transportability. High pressure swelling gives additional unbending nature and solidness, with high pressure spring stack valve for simple expansion and quick emptying. 3 poly overlay indents development utilize a high sub-automatic PVC that is unaffected by gas, oil and salt water. Number 4. FunWater Inflatable Kayak. This board is a particularly extraordinary item at the coast. In the event that you are keen on getting up soap at the point, this is an incredible flagging board decision. It's truly very much made, and though I like this board, it has a high weight limit which is ideal for heavier riders and those that need to accept youngster or pet as traveler. Number 5. Cevillo Quikpak K1 person kayak. Draw nearer to the water and all the magnificence swim in it when you investigate in a Sevylor K1 site on top Quikpak kayak. This inflatable watercraft works much the same as a conventional site on top kayak, aside from when you are prepared to get together. It creases up into its coordinate with cushioned shoulderless and fit inside any vehicles or truck, and everything setups in 5 minutes. Thanks for watching the video.